What's up, guys? Tom from Straight Jacket Motorsports. Wanted to show you a little something we did today. 2015 Subaru WRX Airlift 3P kit. It's fully aired out right now. It's for our buddy Marquise. Came out sick. Nothing to complain about at all. Full bolt in, all wired up, perfect. Full diagrams on how to do it. Straightforward. It's all electronic. Show you the controller. Really nice dash mount. Really basic. Show you the trunk setup we did for him. Two compressors. Really simple setup. Customer didn't want anything crazy. Just figured a nice clean install will look perfect for this car. Thing looks sick now. Now it's ready for his wheels. We'll be going on shortly. You guys stay tuned. Thanks.